In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload pictures here in Canva. Now, the easiest way to do this is by uploading them into your upload section. So all you have to do is highlight all of the images, pictures which you want to upload. You can do them one by one as well, but I'm going to highlight all four. Then all I'm going to do is simply drag them all into the upload section, just like that. Now, if you also already have a folder, you can do the exact same thing, and it's going to act like the upload section. So I could just take all of my pictures and upload them into the folder as well. And you can also just take your pictures or images and upload them directly onto the canvas. When you upload them directly onto the canvas, they're going to put them on the canvas as well, along with your upload section. Then you can just do whatever you want with your pictures, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to upload pictures here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.